welcome back to my channel. So, how are you all? Please to comment in the comment section. So, today we are going to talk about what is data communication. So, now let's get started. The term data communication comprises of two words, data and communication. Data can be any text, image, audio, video, multimedia, and files. Communication is an act of sending or receiving data. Thus, data communication refers to the exchange of data between two or more network or connected devices. These devices must be capable of sending and receiving data over a communication medium. Example of such devices includes personal phones, computers, mobile laptops, etc. There are four different types of devices as computer, printer, server, and switch are connected to form the network. These devices are connected through a media to the network which carries information from one end to the other. So now let's talk about the components of data communication. Whenever we talk about the components or about the communication between two computers devices using a network, five most important aspects come to our mind. These are the sender receiver communication medium, the messenger to be communicated, and the certain rules and protocols to be maintained or followed during the communication. The communication media is also called the transmitting media. So let's understand what is the work of a sender. A sender is a computer or any such device which is capable of sending data over a network. It can be computer, mobile phones, smartwatches, walkie-talkie, videos, recording devices, etc. So now let's talk about what's a receiver's work. A receiver is a computer or any such devices which is capable of receiving data from the network. It can be any computer, printer, laptop, mobile phones, television, etc. In computer communication, the sender receiver are known as nodes in the networking. So now let's talk about the work of a messenger or message. It is the data or information that needs to be exchanged between the sender and the receiver. Message can be in the form of text, number, image, audio, video, and multimedia. Communication media. It is the path through which the message travels between the sources of and the destination. It is also called medium or link, which is earlier wired or wireless. For example, television cable, telephone cables, eternal cable, satellite link, microwave, etc. Protocols. It is the set of rules that need to be followed by the communication parties in order to have a successful, reliable data communication. We have already learned about the eternals and HTTPs. So, now let's talk about the meaning capacity of communication media. The data communication, the transmission media is also known as channel. The capacity of a channel is the maximum amount of signal or traffic that a channel can carry. It is measured in terms of bandwidth and the data transfer rate. Bandwidth. Bandwidth of a channel is the range of frequencies available for transmission of data through the channel. Higher the bandwidth, higher the data transfer rate to 1000 Hz. 1 MHz equals to 1000 kHz equals to 1 lakh Hz. The data transfer rate. The data travels in the form of signals over channels. One signal carries one or more bits from over one channel to other. Data transfer rate is the number of bits transmitted between the source of the destination in 1 second. It is also known as a bit rate. It is measured in terms of bits per second. There are types of data communication. Data communication happens in the form of signals between two or more computer devices or nodes. The transfer of data happens over point-to-point or multi-point communicational channel, or data communication between different devices are broadly categorized into three types: simple communication, half duplex communication, and full duplex communication. So, on the next video, we are going to talk about the different types of data communication. Thank you very much. Hope you all stay well.